You wanna learn how to slide your car like this? Well, let's go, bro. This is some easy tips and tricks on how to slide your SRT. I'm talking about, you wanna learn how to slide this? I got you. Let's go. So some tips and tricks on learning how to slide your SRT. This can go for a lot of cars, and because a lot of settings is the same, you just gotta find your buttons and how to work your car. But this is for Scat Packs and Hellcats and all that good stuff. RT Hemis, y'all can do it, but y'all differential don't let y'all spin like how we spin. All right, you gotta have that 309 differential. Okay, so look, easy. It's raining outside, right? I'm doing it today while it's raining outside because one, it's easier to learn how to slide, and two, you don't burn your tires up as much as you would, you know what I'm saying, driving on just dry concrete, burning your tires up. All right, so look, a few things that you have to know before sliding your car. All right, first off, you got to make sure it's on. But we have a shifter thing right here in the middle, right? Now I'm gonna do that second. First thing you should automatically do, right here, look, it's shaking, the transmission know what it's doing. You put it in manual mode, all right? Manual mode is where you want it to be. Manual mode basically shifts the transmission when needed versus you having it in drive and messing up your transmission and then gotta go get a transmission job. You don't wanna do all that, all right? All right, we're gonna come to our custom streams. You're gonna push drive modes, come to your custom streams, put it in sports mode. It's the best mode to do it in. If you got custom, just cool, but sports mode, straight out the gate. All right, sports mode, straight out the gate. Traction control button, 5 to 10 seconds, hold it, right? Put your car in manual, right? Don't forget this, you hear me? And then put your car in sports mode. Those are easy 3 steps that you gotta follow, all right? Now, when you doing your donuts or you doing your sliding, and I know you see people doing sliding and they donuts are tight in circles. The more you turn the wheel, the tighter your circle is. If you want to slide around like them long donuts them people be doing around the crowds and stuff, the wheel is barely moving. I'm talking about wait, let me go back straight. This is straight, right? When you turn, it's literally, let me see, look, just. And another tip, feather the gas. Don't just go out there mashing the gas, hauling ass, thinking that you're gonna go spin your car and it's gonna do what it wanna do. No, 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 no. You are in control of the car. Remember that. Feather the gas. Don't just, it's vroom, vroom, vroom. A lot of people won't tell you that, but I'm telling you, I'm giving you the sauce right now. I'm about to go set my camera up and I'm about to do a couple demonstrations for y'all, all right? Hey, and another thing, when you start, especially on dry land, you want to get your tires hot. You want to get them hot. Don't go out there cold, just, you can. Some cars powerful. A lot of cars are powerful to do that. This got 500 horsepower, but I don't like that. I like to get mine sparking a little bit. So you do a little light burnout before you start your donut. Like, and then you let off the brake. When you let off the brake, that motherfucker goes, you're gonna feel it, it's gonna feel good. And you just lightly turn. Let me go set up the camera, bro, so y'all can see this. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. So I already set the phone up, it's ready to go. It's recording me, so you look, y'all gonna learn how to slide your car like a pro and not like you is not gonna be that amateur anymore. When I tell you this is easy tutorial, learning in minutes, bro, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel too, because I'm out here risking my butt for you. You hear me? I had to find somewhere nice and secret. But yes, when you learn this, don't say you got it from me. All right, now look, bam. I'm in sports mode. Traction is fully off still. I put it in manual mode, right? So remember what I said. What you want to do is hold the brake with your left foot. All right, you gotta be a little ambidextrous here. You gotta use both your feet. So you're gonna hold your brake, not hard. Don't mash on your brake. Just hold your brake just enough where your car won't move. All right. Matter of fact, let me get closer to this camera over here so you can see it when I do it. So look, get right here, right? Bam, the camera's over there. So look, I gotta hurry up and do this because I don't know if they're gonna try to be calling the laws. But look, so easy. So you're gonna hold the brake and you're gonna mash on the gas. Not like, you know what I'm saying, not like, but not like, where you about to, just enough for the tires start, And once they start getting like that, on dry land, you don't have to do it on wet land because it's wet. On dry land, I'm just telling you, get your tires warmed up. I'm gonna show you like this, look. Yeah, let go, look. Look, I'm barely turning the wheel. Now look, tighter circles, you turn the wheel like this, look. See, look, the wheel is fully turned. Feather the gas. Now I want to go wide again, look, open up. See? I'm wide now. See what I'm saying? Now that's a lot of gas wasting, I ain't gonna lie to you. Remember, if you want your turns wide, sorry about the seatbelt. If you want your turns wide, it's a light turn. It ain't no hard turn. The hard turn, look, this is what a hard turn do. Look, I'm gonna turn the wheel. The wheel is already cut all the way in. Look, what? Look. See, I ain't going nowhere. In one spot. Right? Them ain't the circles you want to do, unless you want to just please a crowd, like at a social event or something, right? But you want them wide turns. You want to look like a pro, right? So look, straighten my wheel up. I'm gonna give it a little, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm barely, look, let me pull it down for you a little bit. I'm barely turning the wheel. Look, this is straight up. This is straight up, look. That's when you can learn how to do your rollbacks, after you learn how to finesse that right there. You hear me? That's easy, bro. Nice to remember, all right? The easy steps, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's not hard. Hey, as long as you feather that gas, you gonna smack that ass. That back end gonna be spinning down there, bro. Look, remember, when you sliding, put your car in manual, let the brain do what it wanna do. Put your car in sports mode, you know what I'm saying? Because it's better traction, it's where you don't wanna, like the sports mode traction is where you wanna go, all right? Then you wanna hold the traction button that's in the middle of the screen for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear that doo-doo. You're gonna hear a noise, and then it's gonna say traction is stability is fully off. That's when you know your car is ready to slide. You hear me? Then all you gotta do is apply all those settings. And remember, the easy settings while you driving is feathering the gas. Don't go out there hauling ass. Don't be out there just stomping on that boy and just thinking you gonna, you know what I'm saying? Just no, it's feather the gas. On dry land, bro, you're gonna rim it up, get your wheel spinning like I showed you. And then let it go, let the brake go. It's going, and then you just turn lightly. It's this. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I'm grabbing the wheel, by the way. Grab the wheel, turn it, let it go. Let it go. The wider you want to go, the less you do that. The tighter you want to go, the more you spin the wheel. All right? It's easy, bro. Now look, my tires are bad. I try to show y'all something. So look, this is an easy tutorial, real quick tutorial on how to slide your Scat or your Hellcat. If you want to try it in your RTs and your 5.7s, your differential is just only going to spin one wheel harder than the other one. So it doesn't work that good for y'all, okay? But I'm telling you, my wheels is bald. I wish I had some tread for y'all, but look, I'm bald like Steve Harvey here. You hear me? I wanted to show y'all more, you know what I'm saying? But look, this is not a legal, you know what I'm saying? This is not a legal activity. This is really illegal, you know what I'm saying? They don't want us to be doing this stuff, but I just want to teach the new people because when I wanted to learn, nobody didn't want to teach me. So I had to learn on my own, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, a couple people taught me some tricks and I put my stuff together, but you know what I'm saying? If you want to learn how to slide your car, bro, it's easy, bro. Them easy tricks, If you want to learn how to slide your car, bro, it's easy, bro. Them easy tips right there, bro. Manual, sports mode, hold the traction button for 5 to 10 seconds. Once you're going to do that, your car is, I'm talking about floating on clouds, especially on the water, bro. I showed y'all in the rain because it's easier in the rain. I'm telling you. Once you learn how to do it, bro, it's going to be crazy, bro. You're going to be wanting, girl, get in, girl. Hurry up, man. Hold the thing right there. Let me slide you around in this. You feel me? That's how you going to be. You ain't going to be no amateur. You're going to be a pro and learn how to slide your car, bro. If you like that video, bro, learn how to slide your car. If you need more tips and tricks on anything else about your car, especially Dodge and a Challenger, oh, this works for the Chargers too, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon, bro. I need y'all. You already know what's up, bro. This is a beautiful car, bro. You can get you one too, bro. All you got to do is keep God first. Do everything, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Hey. I just slid that thing for y'all, bro. Go ahead and watch the tutorial video over and over and over again until you learn how to slide. Try to catch some rain. Look, hold on, let me close my nose. She bad, huh? I like Carnage. Little Venom. You know people call him Venom, but it's Carnage, you know. Learn how to slide in the rain, bro. It's easier. You save your tires too. You hear me? Bro, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel one more time, bro. You already know what's up, bro. I hope you like the tutorial on how to learn how to slide your SRT. Ooh. Wee, it's up here. Let's go. Yes, Sirski.